Hello, Jane and Reviews here, and today I am so glad to review a free pair of boots provided by Jeossy. They are just amazing, guys. So as you can see, mine are color all white, and they are vegan leather. So they are so beautiful. They are easy to clean, and the heel is 2.24 inches, as you can see here. So they are ankle booties. All you have to do is slip your feet um, on and off. You don't have to close it, zippers, so you can put them on super quickly. And as you can see, I'm matching it with a skirt, but you can also match it with jeans, leggings, pants, dresses, different outfits. They are very comfortable. I feel that I can walk in hours and my feet just get so snuggle and very comfortable. I like to use them with socks, but you can use it without the socks. I'm size 7, and they have this beautiful stitching here that I like that too, and have this design. So I hope you check them out. They have different colors. They are great, and thank you so much for watching my video.